Welcome to the frequency sweep technique. In this lesson, it's all about parametric EQ. You're going to learn how to use parametric EQ like a surgical tool to identify specific parts of the frequency range which need to be cut or boosted. Let's do some frequency sweep on a lovely pink noise sound. Step 1 is to add gain. Check your Q to make sure your frequency is not too wide, not too narrow. Around Q equals 1.5 is a natural kind of a shape. And you sweep around to find different parts of the sound. Your turn. In the next activity, boost the gain, sweep the frequencies from high to low and back again. Now that you've got a sense of the entire frequency range, let's start with the important part for electronic music, the sub-bass. And here we go with the sub-bass. First, we're going to boost to add gain and sweep down. I want you to listen for that rumble sound. What did we hear? Well, in this track, at about 100 hertz, you can hear. Let's move on to the low-mid range. What do I mean by that? Now it's your turn to EQ some pink noise in the low-mid range. What did we just hear? Okay, let's move up to the mid-range, which I'm going to do. Your turn, do a mid-range frequency sweep from 500 hertz. Now try it with music. Let's move on to the high mids or the high mid-range. Here we go with the high mids. I'm going to boost gain. We have a little bit tighter Q. And sweep. Your turn, do the frequency sweep technique from 2K up to 6K. Your turn. Now listen to what happens in the high mids with music. And finally, let's explore the highs. Your turn. Sweep from 6K up to 20K. Your turn. Sweep the music from 6K up to 20K. Okay, good job. You just got some hands-on experience EQing the high frequency range of a piece of music. All right, congratulations. You got to the end of the frequency sweep technique lesson. Next, we talked about, most important of all, you learn. General tip, when you're EQing in low frequencies, one thing to mention about the frequency sweep technique is, and let's remember the golden rule of EQ is cut before you boost. That brings us to the end of the lesson. Congratulations.